Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another top tip video. And today's tip is one if you struggle to see all these tiny numbers on your punch boards, like there's a billion punch boards and they all have these tiny little numbers that we all have to read to know what to cut and what to punch. Check this out. If you take your phone and you snap a photo of what you're looking for, so I borrowed a phone, this is Mandy's by the way, then you can go to that photo and you can blow it up so you can read it. Now, also there are apps out there. We Are has apps. There's different, I think there's third-party companies too that have apps that have all of the measurements listed. But if you're not an app person and you don't want to go find something online, just do this. Just take a photo and stretch it so you can see. And that way, you'll always know you're reading the right measurement. Of course, you'll do a better job than I did on this photo. But like right here, that's much easier to read than that. So that is my top tip today. An easy way to read all those tiny measurements on your punch boards. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.